how to make money online in 2024 with federal government contracts. Let's get into it. If you already have a LLC established or you're an existing business trying to get involved with federal government contracting, you could go ahead and skip forward from this part. But for those of you who don't have a LLC or a legitimate business already established, what you're gonna do is go to the Secretary of State website for your state, or you could use a third-party company like LegalZoom, InkFile. There's multiple third-party companies that will assist you in getting your LLC established. When choosing a name for your LLC, be sure to use a broad name that doesn't really restrict you to a specific NAICS code, like AJ Brown Landscaping or B&B Electrical. You don't want to use those names unless you're specifically looking to bid on contracts for your business in that field. You want to use a name like Apple, Google, Amazon. These names, they don't tell you what they do in the title of their company, and that is good. Your NAICS code for your business should be consulting. If you plan on being a prime contractor, subcontracting out work, and project managing the project full-time working. Once you completed the process of getting your LLC established, you're going to want to go over to IRS.gov and get your EIN number for your business. That is your employee identification number, and it's basically the social security number for your business that SAM.gov will use. And also you're gonna need that to get a business bank account, and that is crucial. It is so crucial that you establish a relationship with a small community bank in your area. You want to go inside the bank and you want to introduce yourself to whoever's in charge, like, hey, my name is such and such. This is what I'm doing, and I'm looking for a bank to call home. Once you've got your business established, your EIN, your bank account, you're ready for SAM.gov. So you're gonna head over to SAM.gov and you're gonna register your company in the system. It's gonna take you about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. They ask a lot of questions. They're gonna ask you for your banking information. They're gonna ask phone numbers, business email. There's a lot of questions that you gotta go through when you register in the system. And once you get your company registered, you will receive a UEI number first. And then in about 5 business days, maybe even a week, you'll receive your cage code. But I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. What you can do is, once you've completed the process, they're gonna give you a number to a help desk. Call the help desk. Hey, my name is such and such, and I was looking at this solicitation and I was wanting to bid on it, but I don't have my cage code yet. Is there any way that we could expedite this process? Everybody that I've gotten to do this, they got their cage code within 3 days. Just an insider. If you appreciate that little tip, drop a like, hit subscribe, press the notification bell and set it to all so you don't miss a single video. Now you are ready to browse SAM.gov and start looking for opportunities. What you're gonna do is click the search button at the top, just scroll through, look for opportunities, see what you like, see what you don't like, and get familiar with the verbiage. Synopsis, solicitation. What is solicitation? The act of asking for. What is synopsis? Summary. I need a summary of what I'm asking for. Just want to get familiar with the verbiage and go through and see what you can find. Now look, guys, no one said this process was gonna be easy. I understand that sometimes it may get a little bit overwhelming with all the different documents, different verbiage, and you don't know this, you don't know that, but we have to redefine the word success. Success is the consistent progress on the way to a goal. Every day that you make a step to get to your goal, that is success. And they teach us in school about how to be successful, but they never talk about the journey, and the journey is consistent failure. So don't get discouraged if you don't win a contract. Stay consistent, keep bidding, stay focused, keep your mind on the goal, and have a sense of urgency in what you're doing. Get it done on time. You can do this. All right, guys. With that being said, drop a like, hit subscribe, turn the notification bell on. That's it for today's video. God bless America. Lead Advisor out.
Yo. Waking up, gotta hustle, gotta scheme. Linked with the team, building up the dream. Government contracts, yeah, we taking that shot. Proposals in the air, you know we give it all we got. Making moves, stacking chips, watch me shine. In the world of bids, it's all about the grind. Making money moves, got the government sealed. Contracts on the table, our fate's been revealed. Hustle hard, play smart, we're rising above. This is our time and we do it for the love. We ain't stopping, we grow. Collab to elevate cash flow like a pro. Writing up these bigs, man, it's all in the game. Every page we flip, bringing fortune and fame. Competition's fierce, but we stay real tight. In the world of contracts, we ignite like a light. Making money moves, got the government sealed. Contracts on the table, our fate's been revealed. Hustle hard, play smart, we're rising above. This is our time and we do it for the love. So here's the deal, we're aiming for the top. With every contract signed, there ain't no way we stop. So here's the deal, we're aiming for the top. With every contract signed, there ain't no way we stop.